Okay, so hello everyone, good day. Today is the 14th of December, it's a Wednesday, and it's a happy day actually. So we'll be having one of our graduation presentation today in this case, and we have Claudio as our product owner intern that will present more about his work as well as achievements in Bukit Vista the past 3 months. All right, before we go to the presentation, let me actually introduce few people in the room over here. So most of the teammates present over here are actually from the product development team in Bukit Vista, with the exception of Marcel from business intelligence team. So we have Gerald, we have Robin, Vidi, Vito, as well as Nadia from the product development team to support for Claudio's presentation today. Okay, maybe that's a quick intro for those present in the room. Oh, and I actually forgot to introduce myself. So my name is Shalin. I am the HR team member in Bukit Vista, and I'll be the moderator for today. All right, that's for the quick intro. And okay, so without further ado, let's go to Claudio for the presentation. Okay, the stage is yours, Dio.
Okay, am I audible?
Yep, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay, firstly, I want to say thank you so much for everyone that coming to my internship graduation program. So my name is Claudio Febryan as a product owner intern at Bukit Vista. So what am I going to present for today is first my operational work. The second one is the legacy or project, and the last thing is things I learned from Bukit Vista. Okay, before I start into the main topic, I want to start from quotes from Wilson that say building product is not about having a large team to manage. It is about having a small team with the right people on it. And I feel this, I work with the right people with all of their job, the right job that they do on product development team to building the products at Bukit Vista. Also, here's the great people behind product development team at Bukit Vista that I work closely. First is Kabayu as a CTO, Kanadia as a UI UX designer, Ka Robin as a backend developer, also as a technical product management right now. And then we have Ka Vidi as a data science. And then we have William, Kavito, and Gerald as a backend developer, and Kabam and Novel as a front-end developer. I work with these great 9 people in product development team to work with some product that we use in at Bukit Vista. So without further ado, let's get into the main topic. So first thing is operational work. What is my operational job as a product owner intern? The first thing is lead sync up and stand up daily meeting. So the first is PD sync up that we usually do this every day, every morning. That in PD sync up we mostly talk about better understanding on what other member is currently working on. We talk about our project or our product, and then make a clear goals to be delivered today. Also catching up with the team. And the last is PD stand up that we do this every Monday, Wednesday, Friday afternoon. So what are we going to talk here is first is what have we done, the result of our project or our product or our feature that we are going to build, and then what is our fraction when we doing this project. So my job here is to lead this sync up and stand up daily meeting. And then the second operational work that I do is check and prioritization on Trello Backlog. So our Trello board, we have BIGRR, BVGO, mobile app, BV website campaign, Datavista, guest portal, internal tools, and also product development board that we are currently working on. All our card that or our project that we are currently do is all in this board. And what I do is to check every card, what is the progress, what is the updates, and what is the timeline that we have to complete. And also what I do is to prioritize what is the feature or product that we need to do right now, and what project or product is need to be done after the first prioritization. So that's is my day to day as a product owner intern. Second, and then the third one is Google Calendar for PD team. So mostly I what I do is to check the other team member uh, Google Calendar to see what are they currently doing, and when can I talk to get the new update from the project that we are currently do, and also to check if these people is available to set a meeting to meeting with our internal team in product development team, or talk with external team that I manage, and also based on this Google Calendar. Okay, the next one is talk with client or user or stakeholders. The tools that I mostly use is Discord or Google Meet to talk with client or user to get what the requirement we need to attach on the next project or the next product that we want to build. Basically, we set the meeting on Google Calendar first, and then we what we do is we do meeting in Discord or Google Meet, and we talk about the project. The next one is to checking the metrics update using Datavista. Here is some of uh, the data that I mostly see, like the BVGO updates or guest portal update, or even the service provider feature usage to see if the feature or product that we built is good or not, how people interact with our product, how many of them that really engage with the product, how many people use service provider, adding a service provider. So and in here also we can guide us to make a decision what we are going to build based on the data. As we work in at Bukit Vista, we have to use data, not assuming, not hypothesis, and that's why this is one of the important things that I do to check all the data. Okay, so that's all is the operational work that I currently do day to day as a product owner intern. So the next one is the legacy or project that I finished as product owner intern. So the first one is extra service on bigger guest portal and Slack. But firstly, I want to thanks with product development team, Carobin and Canada that helped me to do this project. So what is the background of this project? First one is the HAR work, especially for hosting team. They help guests to booking extra service such as airport pickup or drop off point. That most of that is really hard, and also is it's a repeatable a repeat task, but still not getting automation. And also we have this feature on guest portal, but it's still low adoption, and that's why we want to solve that problem into making the automation service, so that hosting team can easily work on extra service. They can only track on Slack and then send to a driver, and then after the driver accept the request, can send it back to guests on Airbnb. So here is the some of the picture that we are uh, we are complete the project. So the first one is this is the adding service on guest portal that we improve. We move add service from the other page into the home page so that people can get more awareness about our service, and also no need to jump into the second page and then adding the new services. So in here we solve their problem, so they only need to scroll after they log in. They only need to scroll little bit, and then get that service, um, extra service. And then here is the extra service that guest point of view when they want to book extra service. So they feel what is the type of the service that they want. For example, here transportation, and then they can choose airport pickup or drop off, and then they can choose the provider. Also, they can add some details that we need, like flight number, arrival date, arrival time, pickup point, and how many cars that they need. Also, what we are improving here, we add price, automatic price. Shout out to Kavidi that help me to add airport pickup price. And then after they booking from guest portal, they can will automatically appear on BIGRR, if you can see here, on the guest check-in list, so we can see the details and also who is the driver. And we can also cancel from our side, and also the guest can cancel on their side. And then the last thing is, here's from the Slack notification. So when they complete the booking from guest portal, the hosting team will directly get the notification about the new services. Shout out to Gerald that helped me to complete this Slack notification that for now is having high adoption from our hosting team to check the guest portal booking extra service. That is my first project. And then the second one is a bigger improvement that I split into 3 point. So the first one is from uh, guest booking. So the first thing is message rebranding. So we move and we change all internal notes into message rebranding. So we want to increase how our team, employee, and partner can easily talk like they doing a message from on WhatsApp. And then before that, we only have like one side messaging. So the employee, so for example, me, I write down, it will appear on the right side, but all of people that chat in message will appear on the left side. And that's why I come up with this better view for two side messaging, to split the employee side on the right side and property side on the left side, to give the better view. So it looks like we messaging on WhatsApp. And then the next one is on listing list. What is the objective is reduce finding listing time for HAR team. In here first is unit name sort. Shout out to Kak Vito that helped to sort this listing list unit name. So our reservation team or even hosting team can easily track which one the unit name that they need. And also the OTA profile improvement that we move to the left side, so we can easily look if that is Airbnb or booking.com or Agoda and etc. And also we move the copy button into the left side, so we can only see, we can see all the details in one pages. We don't need to slide to the left, so we don't need to slide to the right, so it make more compact, and this reduce finding listing time for HAR team. The next one is on guest check-in list. The first one is same day in and out. Most of feedback that we get from hosting team or HAR team is they need to reset the filter to get the date for today. uh, Most of them is do looking on the guest check-in list based on today's date. That's why we come up with the solution to uh, change the start date and end date for today. And then the next one is sort by guest journey. For guest status, we have the guest journey on its booking details. So based on here, we improve to make it more comprehensive, make it more easy to read. We change all the color and we sort the guest journey based on the step by step. And also directly to message. Here, shout out to Noval that helped me to do this. When we click here, we will go directly into message that previously only go to guest journey, that it need two steps to go into message. We need to click that, and then we need to go to message. And with this, we only need to click one step that can move us into message. The next one is a project for BVGO improvement. Most of the work that I do here is making a PRD for BVGO, and in here I mostly work closely with Kabayu, Ka Nadia, and Ka Robin on improving the BVGO. So I make the PRD so that we can get more comprehensive, more alignment problem on making the new features. And also what is our achievement is increasing the adoption of user. As we see in past 2 months, we see all the green bar is higher than the yellow bar. This is the great achievement that we got. BVGO fully adoption from partner side, and also how the satisfaction is increasing too. And then for the system is PRD enhancement. So the first one is problem alignment. So previously we don't have like a problem alignment. Mostly is what is the summary. And in here I come up with problem alignment. So we start from the background, what we are doing this, why we are doing this, who is it for, and how are the future correlate with higher organizational goals. And then the next is from problem side, what is the signals or where does it comes from, describe the pain points and what is the problem statement of this project. And then the next one is the high level approach or context to describe this related to and who will be affected by this product or by this project. And then a single or simple statement as the approaching method of the problem. That's for the problem alignment. Also, uh, link goals and success for the goal segment, and what is the metrics, related metrics that we want to track from this product, and also what is our target, number of target that we uh, are going to achieve. Then the next one is for user story, make more comprehensive user story for the story. As a persona, I want to action or goal, so that what is the benefit. And also I add acceptance criteria. So this is will attach all the details of the story that not included in the story. So adding a attachment, for example the picture, of the attachment that related to the story that we want to achieve, and also what is the priority, is it high, medium, or low priority. Okay, next is for the development plan. We divide it into research, design, and development to maintain all the work that we are going to do. For the research, uh, that's for designer or product owner, and also the design for the UI, UX, and for the development is mostly for backend developer or front end developer. That is the PRD enhancement. So the last part is things I learned at Bukit Vista, hard and soft skill that I got from Bukit Vista too. So first is from core value. The first thing is fail fast. As a product owner, we sometimes make a product that maybe not needed by user, but how can we fail fast and we improve the product so that the product that we made is inspire delight. And then never settle, how we in product development keep improving our product, and also be the hero. As a product owner, mostly I do is getting the problem from the user and what can be improved and what can be solved from their problem to be the hero. And then the last is the skill I learned here. First is time management. uh, I use this as because I still in college. I manage my time to work as a product owner and also my tasks in school, that I can uh, make it balance. Also the stakeholder management, how we talk to them to align the problem, to align the project. And then prioritization, how to prioritize all the backlog, prioritize what the project or features that we are going to do. And also the communication with internal team in product development team, communicate with developer, and also communicate with the external team, for example like HAR team or HR, BI, and etc. And also leadership to lead, for example, PDCing up or PD stand up, and also problem solving to help people to solve their problem, work with tech team. That is the skills that I learned. How now I know what developer thing and what do I need to prepare to work with them, and also decision making and many more skills that I learned from Bukit Vista. So that's all from me. Uh, Thank you. Give it back to Shelly.
All right, thank you ya Claudio for the presentation. We can see that there's a lot of things ya over there, especially apa improvements in Bigger, integration juga dari apa from Bigger to Slack and so on ya. And this apa mostly rotates in the operational side ya of the company. So like how you can provide tools that supports our ops team in this case. All right, thank you for the wonderful presentation ya. Okay, then we actually have apa, a little time left, so maybe I'd like to maybe ask apa, a few people, apa, a few of the team members over here to perhaps give some apa, comments or perhaps like share more juga on Claudio gitu lah ya. How is it like working with Claudio? Or maybe fun fact about Claudio juga boleh if you'd like, or maybe some other things about Claudio that I think people should know about. Oke, kira-kira siapa ya? A lot of people have been working closely sih with Claudio, so I'm actually kayak confused more like who am I supposed to choose? Okay, wait. Let me try and call siapa ya? Vito, perhaps. Vito, are you here?
Hello.
Okay, hi Vito.
Let
All
me.
right. Okay, since you're here, yay. So maybe you can tell us a little bit more. How is it like working with Claudio on some of his projects?
Okay, hello Claudio. We are here in your IGP. We were working, I think, in the last 2 months, and it's nice to working with you. And I perhaps we will work together in in this month, right? You often give me an advice to make our product to our user basically, and it's nice to work with you, Claudio. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you, Vito. Okay, to few more months together with Claudio lah ya. All right, thanks a lot, Vito. All right, next person, who should I call ya? Maybe, hmm, should I try calling out to siapa namanya? Noval?
Hello, hello.
Novel. Oh, okay. Novel is here.
Can you hear
Nice.
me?
Okay. Representative from the front end team lah ya. Novel front end kan ya, kalau aku nggak salah ingat. Okay.
Pranam,
Maybe.
pranam, pranam.
Okay. Maybe a few words for Claudio nih. Kayak so far, how is it like working together with Claudio?
Yeah, as a front end, I think Claudio is not only a great product owner, but a great person in general. He has a high understanding of his field, and also he's very helpful to me. I often ask what to prioritize first, and he often gives me his opinion on what to prioritize on doing. So yeah, he helps me a lot. And when I ask for deadline extension, he understands, and etc. I think he's a great person in general. Yeah, that's all from me.
All right, cool. Thank you, Noval. Okay. Okay, let me see. Who else should I call ya? Coba deh aku panggil ke Marcel. So Marcel is actually apa not from the PD team but from the BI team. But I believe at some occasion juga apa sempat kerja bareng Claudio. So maybe few words for Claudio, Marcel.
Alright, dari aku as a product owner mungkin dia great listener gitu ya. Dia mau see the problem from a user's perspective gitu. Soalnya dia kan night shift juga nih, jadi dia tahu kan problem-problem yang kita perlu kecilin workloadnya gitu. Jadi dia lebih ngerti juga. Terus dari aku sendiri sih buat ngasih input tentang changes yang diperlukan tuh dia asik juga, dia nerima tulisan saya bagus dan deliver juga. Itu sih yang paling penting. Karena kalau dari kitanya kan as a user at least tahu tujuan baiknya kemana deh gitu. Deliver slow but sure it's okay gitu. Jadi Claudio ya very great as a person and as a colleagues from my side gitu sih. Back to
Okay, thank you, Marcel. So yeah, apa I believe Claudia sama Marcel like apa mostly udah sering ketemu ya di operations in this case. Alright, then perhaps let me call out to Nadia because apa Claudia's work is more apa user oriented type of work, right? And Nadia here is our UX strategist, so perhaps she can give the best advice or like tips on user related kind of things. So mungkin Nadia, few words mungkin apa how is it like working with Claudio or perhaps other things you want to deliver deh for Claudio.
Okay, thank you. So first thing first, congrats, Claudio, for passing your 3 months internship, right? I think you did really good job with the operationals and also as a product owner. I would say Claudio, he's a very diligent person though. Like, he's able to detect like potential issues because he's also involved in operationals, right? And also, she stepped up a lot and also never afraid to speak up. So yeah, I think that's a good apa ya? That's a good aspect or skills for a product owner because you need to talk to your users and stuff, understand their pain point. So yeah, congrats again, Claudio, and good luck for your upcoming journey. That's it. Thank you.
Oke, mantap. Thank you, Nadia. And okay, previously, mohon maaf, gengs. Time is almost up, so sorry I cannot really call everyone in this case. But last but not least to Claudio. Any last words? Mungkin ada yang apa? There might be like something you want to deliver to the team over here.
Okay, thank you, Gasolin. So maybe a few words for team. For the past 2 months, I work closely with. I'm really glad to work with all of you, especially how to build a great product and building a great product team. And I want to say thank you so much for having me as a product owner intern, and also shout out to Kak Nadia as my mentor that always help me, always answer all my questions gitu. Also to Kak Robin, Kak Vidi, Kak Vito, Gerald Noval, and Kak Bam that helped me to do all my jobs, the project that we uh, do in product development in Bukit Vista. Maybe that's all, Zika. Maybe I just want to say thank you for having me here, and I think let's get back to work. Yep, maybe that's all I got.
Wah, the very last sentence ya. Let's get back to work. Okay. All right, cool, cool. Okay, thank you, Claudio, apa, for your closing remarks nih for the presentation. So I believe that will be all for the session. I'd like to thank everyone for coming for Claudio's presentation, as well as for those who have watched this video up until this session. So yes, that would be all. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.